Hi, this is Eric with Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the freezer LED and cover on your GE refrigerator. If you need a new freezer LED and cover for your GE refrigerator, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Since we'll be working with the refrigerator's electrical components, disconnect power to the refrigerator. The freezer LED and cover are located on the bottom of the left French door. First, open the French door, then using a 1/4-inch nut driver, remove the screw holding the cover in place. Gently press the tabs to release the cover from the retainer, being careful as it is still connected by wires. Then, disconnect the electrical connector. If you need to purchase a new freezer LED and cover, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you are searching with the model number from the tag of your refrigerator to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, reconnect the electrical connector. Align the tabs on the LED and cover to the openings in the retaining slot on the bottom of the door, and press into place. Then, reinstall the screw. That's it for this video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave us a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.